Welcome to One Click Auto Auction. You can now buy and sell without auction fee.
The 2023 Dodge Charger Scat Pack is a powerful and stylish vehicle that demands attention on the road, finished in a striking white knuckle clearcoat. This sedan exudes confidence and performance. The Scat Pack trim level offers enhanced performance features, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and thrill seekers. Under the hood, you'll find a potent 6.4-liter V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering impressive acceleration and power. The Charger Scat Pack also features a performance-tuned suspension and Brembo brakes for optimal handling and stopping power. Inside, the Charger offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with premium materials and modern technology. Features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system provide a luxurious driving experience. Located in Waco, Texas, this 2023 Dodge Charger Scat Pack is ready to turn heads and deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Don't miss your chance to own this powerful and stylish sedan. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe the channel and stay tuned.